It was really nice, the museum that they had here. It was really nice. And I think it should be rebuilt because we have a connection here and always enjoyed coming down here whenever we could come. And I just really enjoyed coming down here to the Caddo Mounds.
One of the things I think is important about having input from living caddos on the rebuilding is, for example, my daughter, she's going to grow up and keep coming out here, and this is really going to be an important site for her. And I think, voices from her and from our families of the caddos would be important to be heard, about how we live our lives today, and including contemporary art. I feel like there is a vibrant culture of contemporary art today from the caddos that could be shown as well.
My name is Elena Tollate, and I'm Caddo. My last name, Tollate, is the name of my great-great-grandfather, whose Caddo name was Tollate. And he came from the Haine band of caddos from the east bank of the Angelina River in northeastern Texas. His parents survived the removal. And so when I come here every time, I know that this is the place where my family came from. It's a very special place for me. And when I survived the tornado, I knew it was because our Ha'imechi Kionawawa, our ancestors, were watching out for us. And everything that's done here at Caddo Mounds State Historic Site was always so significant to me. They wanted to include caddos in everything that happened here and everything that they planned. I appreciate their efforts to draw a meaningful connection between the living culture of the Caddo people and our ancient history here at the site. I hope that when they rebuild, Caddo input is included because they always did such a great job of making us feel like everything that happens here at Caddo Mounds State Historic Site was ours as well.
I think that Tony and Rachel would be the best liaisons you could ever ask for. They have really developed a great relationship. I think I speak for everybody in my Caddo family when I say that we think that they are ours and not yours. So I'll share Tony and Rachel with you all and send my ideas for the new building through them.
As a member of the Caddo Nation, this place, Caddo Mounds, is an intrinsic part of who I am, and I have been coming here for almost 20 years. I was a part of the first building of the new museum, and it meant so much to me when they called up to the Caddo Nation and they asked us to come and participate and give our ideas and what it meant to us. And so when we came here, we were welcomed and we felt as part of one with the people as much as with the land. And my family was here, my children have been here with me. We have danced on this land. This is our dance grounds. It is a sacred place to us. As we learn from one another, as the caddos are allowed to input what is in our hearts, I look forward to seeing what becomes of this in the future, not only for my children, but for my children's children. As I said in the beginning, this is a part of who we are, and this is a part of who we will become. And I thank you so very much for your consideration.